Good morning, everyone. I hope that you had a good weekend. We often talk about community, but what do we actually mean by that? The dictionary definition of a community is a group of people living in the same place or having a particular characteristic in common. So St. Lawrence College is a community because we're a group of people. Many of us are living in the same place, and we do all have characteristics in common, such as an understanding of the religious ethos of the school, an appreciation of the holistic nature of education, a shared uniform, and so on. But all schools are therefore communities, and that definition could be extended to a whole range of different groups of people. For me, therefore, it isn't that we can be defined as a community that's the important thing. It's the type of community that we are that makes our school special. Part of that definition is that the group of people have particular characteristics in common. The common characteristics that I would like our community to stand for centre around the way in which we treat each other. I think it's really important that we all have a shared understanding and agreement about what it means to be part of the St. Lawrence College community. And so over the next week or two, your tutors will be seeking your feedback about the type of school you want us to be. Once we have that information, we will create what's called our social vision statement, our vision for the way we all expect to be treated and the way we agree to treat each other. So what do I think? I think that everybody in our community has a right to be respected, and that everyone in our community has a responsibility to ensure that this happens. Every one of you should look forward to coming to school. Be happy whilst you're here, and consequently thrive in all aspects of school life. One of the great benefits of coming to a school such as this is to develop the soft skills that are so important in everyday life, and to develop into open-minded, compassionate, resilient people who are morally courageous and will stand up for what's right. We need to develop emotional intelligence, empathy, and an understanding of tolerance. Not only will this make everybody's time at school happier, but it will also equip you with the skills you need to succeed in business and in later life. So how do we actually achieve this? It starts with the simple things: saying hello to everyone you walk past, making sure that everything you say or post is positive and inclusive, thinking about others, recognizing when someone's struggling and checking in on them, and ultimately recognizing that we are all responsible for making our community the strongest and happiest one that it can possibly be. I look forward to hearing your thoughts, and in the meantime, hope you have a good week.